So this is going to be the first attempt ever at upholstering something. So I'm going to pull this panel off, trace it onto a piece of plywood, upholster that, put it back. And then this little area right here, I've already thrown in some insulation. We'll fill in that. Should look pretty cool. And pretty easy way to start. So this looks like some elementary stuff, but put a piece of construction paper, whatever it's called, up on here, measured it flat with that. Then I'm able to feel and trace out the curve. And then this looks all super sloppy, but it is going to be 8 inches from the top to the line. So then I can just draw a nice straight line to cut. So I just cut that in half, put the other piece right there. This looks like complete crap. So wish me luck on that coming out right. So I pulled this panel off and I traced it on the piece of plywood. We got that one done. Let's go. You can probably barely see it, but there's the trace of the top panel and there's the tracing of the bottom. So we got that piece. It is by far not the best cutting ever, but whatever. I'll sand parts down, make it work. So what I'm doing now is in these stock holes, I widened them out a little bit, putting some plus nuts in there to attach the panel. Let's go. So I got this tool, Harbor Freight. It's a plus nut thing. Take the plus nut, stick it on there. Boom. Now you find a hole, put it in the hole, clamp that thing down, spin it out. Boom, you're good to go. So I did a test fit, screwed everything in, marked a couple places that need to be trimmed. Really messed up on this cut, but I should be able to fix it. Cover it with some fabric. But yeah, then I upholster it and it looks pimp. Let's go. So now I got my template. I laid it out on my fabric. I'm gonna trace it out and hope for the best. So I upholstered the first panel. This is up. It looks pretty dang good. I mean, it is not perfect, but I'm happy. Now we are gonna trace out this big panel, do the same thing. This one turned out a lot better. Put it on. Now I got a nice looking door. Sweet.